Hello everyone, my name is Kalu Daniel. You're welcome to share my idea. So today I'm going to teach you how to install XAMPP on Linux 32-bit Ubuntu, or it's mostly based on 32-bit, but you can also install it on 64-bit. So first of all, I'll just click on my search bar and I'll say XAMPP. So I'll just check this capture or something like that. Oh, I'm not really good at this one. Click on next. Vehicles. Next. Bicycle. Yeah, I'm good at this. Just take some seconds. So it's verified now. So I'll click on the first link and it says apachefriends.org. I'll click on download and I'll go to this page, and you can see 64 bits for Windows, you can see Linux 64 bit. You can also install this one and you just wait till when we get to the next one. You can see Mac OS, but I'll just go on Linux. I'll click on, so you can see I think you just for installing on Mac, the other tutorials in YouTube share, but installing on Mac you just have to click on install and drag it to your application folder. So I'll click on the more downloads. So I'll click on XAMPP Linux, then I'll scroll to the version 7.0.3. that's the 2016, on the 2nd of February 2016. No, on the 24th of February 2016. So I'll just scroll so you can, that's not the version. Okay, this is the version, this is the actual version 7.0.3. So I'll scroll down and you can see XAMPP Linux. So you can see they have the 64-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 32-bit. So click on any of the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. So I'll click on, so it's taking some time, but the download will soon start. So I'm not going to download this because I've already got it installed. So if you just wait till it gets download, then you can follow the next step. So I'll go to the folder where I kept it, in my music folder or my music directory. You can see xampp.run. So I'll just close up this terminal window and I'll open a new terminal window. Or let me just clear this terminal window. So let me clear the screen. So I'll just cd into my music directory. So let me just list out everything in this directory. So as I list it, as you can see, the installer here is XAMPP Linux 7.0.3. that's one. You can see it is also in this other place too. So I will just clear the screen. So we'll do sudo chmod 755, then XAMPP, the name of the executable file. So sudo dot slash. Now after that, running that command, we'll just do sudo to run the application. So we'll just wait for some time and you can see that it will soon pop up. So you can see the bitnami and next, but I'm not going to install this because I've already got it installed on my system. So if I just go to, you can go to your file system. I'll go to my file system. I'll go to opt. So when you install the lamp, this is the where it's going to be installed. So I'll go to, this is the folder, this is your folder for the lamp environment. You can see the lamp, that lamp file there. So when I want to run this, there's a shortcut in running it faster. So I'll just go sudo /otp/lamp /lamp start. Click on enter. Most times it's showing that it's already running, but most times it will ask you for the password, but I'm already used to this terminal window, that's why. So I will just stop it and I will rerun it and I'll start it again. And now this is the message you are meant to get. Okay. So anytime you want to start it, instead of going to this folder, just so if I reload my local host now, you can see. So though I've already customized my own XAMPP environment, but I'll also create a video on that, how to customize your XAMPP environment later. So in the file, just index.php, I just say, but when you finish installing, you just go to your htdocs folder and do whatever you want there. So go to opt, you can see the lamp directory with the good mark, then htdocs